Congratulations! You finally made it dito sa last part of our video presentation. Don't worry, this will not be the last time that you will be hearing from me and my team. We will still be sending you updates through your messenger inbox. Just make sure that you get in touch with the person or sponsor who shared this great opportunity to you. I will guarantee that when you decide to join my team, you will have full access on our Facebook group coaching and mentoring and private group chat exclusive for my team, where you will find right-minded people who will provide 100% support to everyone whenever needed. Also, meron din kaming weekly Facebook live webinar kung saan doon namin tinuturo sa mga members on how they can grow this online business through e-commerce online selling using our dropshipping system. We will give you full access for free on our advanced training module about social media marketing, kung saan matututunan mo ang tamang Facebook advertising strategy and automated messenger marketing system. May mga free bonuses pa kami kung saan ituturo namin sa iyo kung paano i-brand properly yung product mo as well as yourself by creating Facebook business page and YouTube channel to be able to grow your market in the social media platform. Our training is not limited to Facebook and YouTube, but also through other social media platforms such as Instagram, LinkedIn, Shopee, Shopify, Lazada, and many more. Sa ganitong paraan, magkakaroon ka ng edge over the other to present our business as well as our product to more potential customers and buyers. Here are some of the highlights of our live weekly webinar training where we conduct online workshops, especially if there are updates, clarifications, and questions to address the constant changes in the online system. And the best part, when you join our growing team, we will provide you the right targeted people or audience, tamang market, and customers who may have interest in our business and products. So sa ganitong paraan, hindi ka na mahihirapan pang mag-market dahil ikaw na mismo ang lalapitan ng mga customers or ng mga clients mo. Magkakaroon ka rin ng ready-made automated messenger template kung saan may magpapadala na ng mga messages sa customers or buyers mo 24/7 using our ManyChat messenger platform. If you avail of our Platinum membership package, we will provide you with our very own sales funnel for free. This sales funnel will explain everything to your potential customers, like this one. So I encourage you to watch our training, and our pre-recorded webinars to learn more on how you can grow your online business with us. Para malaman mo kung paano ka makaka-join and makaka-avail ng membership package, please watch the video below para mag-guide kita properly. In the next video clip, makikilala mo ang board of directors and founders of Solveo World and also some of our members na naging successful na rin dito sa business na to. Again, thank you for watching. This is Coach Eric Melchor and see you inside. Bye!
Welcome to Solveo World. I'm Ree Chanis and I created Solveo World. Dahil nakapag-sign up ka na, it's time for you to learn more about Solveo World. So, let's get in! Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Solveo World is a 100% online marketing system owned by TechnoWise 360 Incorporated. TechnoWise 360 is an e-commerce company with 3,000 plus products ranging from health, beauty, jewelry, watches, fashion, baby products, and a lot more. It is a private corporation registered with SEC in May 6, 2013. Over the past few years, TechnoWise 360 has already been recognized by different award-winning bodies. Best Online Business Opportunity in 2015 by Asia Pacific Excellence Awards, World-Class Philippine Company in the Field of Online Business Services by WCP Council, Best Health and Wellness Business Opportunity in 2018 by Global Excellence Awards. TechnoWise 360 owns popular brands such as Sofisticada, Argento, and Carpe Diem. Over the past few years, we have already delivered hundreds of thousands of shipments to customers worldwide. So ang ibig sabihin nito, the company behind Salveo World is a 100% trusted, reliable, and stable company. So you have nothing to worry about. Why should you join Salveo World? Here in Salveo World, you are your own boss. Kahit na maliit lang ang puhunan mo, pwede ka nang magnegosyo dito. You can automate your online business using Salveo World's unique system. At merong itong done-for-you videos, so no need na magpakahirap sa traditional ways of MLM. So kahit baguhan ka pa lang sa ganitong klaseng negosyo, kayang-kaya mong gawin ito.
Totoo na ang pera nasa pagnenegosyo. Pero the problem is lack of capital and business skills. So kung estudyante ka, hindi nakapagtapos, baguhan, at walang experience sa pagnenegosyo, pwedeng-pwede ka dito. So one of the reasons kung bakit ginawa ang Salveo World para mabigyan ng pagkakataon ang lahat ng gustong magnegosyo na makapagsimula with a small capital and even without business skills.
We are a game changer in the industry. We made the business 100% online with tangible and consumable products. So this is a new concept na mayroong advanced system features like replicated website, centralized e-wallet, and order processing. Ang company na ang gagawa na matrabahong part ng negosyo. This way, our members can focus on marketing and building their teams to leverage. Dito, hindi mo kailangan mag-fake it before you make it or mag-show off just to meet your prospects. Mabilis ang duplication, kaya kahit newbie, kayang-kayang gawin ang Salveo World.
Salveo is a Latin word na ang ibig sabihin ay to be well. Ang layunin ni Salveo World ay makapagbigay ng mga high-quality products na makakatulong sa maraming tao. Ang mga products ng Salveo World ay galing pa sa mga best producers around the globe. Kami kasi yung mga tao na hindi pwede na. Quality is our priority.
As part of the millennial generation, I always want to travel the world. Salveo World is like a portable business which you can do anytime, anywhere. Ang sarap isipin na nagtatrabaho ka, na wala kang boss, walang nagdidictate sa schedule mo, walang nagsasabi kung kailan ka lang pwedeng mag-leave. Literal, hawak mo ang oras mo. We made Salveo World the perfect automated online business so that people can do it without having to be physically present sa mga trainings and seminars. You can also do it without having to schedule a meet-up to different kinds of people. Doon pa lang kasi mauubos na yung oras mo. We are proud to bring this to people who want to do business at home while taking care of their families. Or kahit saan ka mang lupalop ng mundo, like nasa coffee shop ka sa Paris, you just have to take the mobile phone with you, and you're good to go. So, if you want to have this kind of lifestyle, Salveo World is the perfect business for you.
Magkano naman ang pwede mong kitain? Since this is a business, there is no fixed income. Pero the good news is, you can earn an extraordinary income.
Just imagine in 15 days, kumita ako ng 20,000 pesos. And in 1 month, 62,000 pesos.
And yung 6-figure income na gusto kong ma-achieve, no, monthly, no, in a matter of 2 months, na-achieve ko na siya.
Tulong ng Salveo, kumita ako ng 19,000 sa loob ng isang buwan na konting oras lang yung na-spend ko.
Kumita ako ng 6,000 pesos in just 1 day sa tulong ng Salveo World.
Sa pagbebenta through online, kumita ako ng 20,000 pesos in a month sa tulong ng Salveo World.
Siguro in just 1 month lang, nagkaroon ako ng nasa 20,000 na income.
As of now, ang kinita ko na ay 560,000 pesos in just 6 months.
Salveo World is here to give hope.
It's here to improve life.
Here to give you time freedom.
Is here to revolutionize the MLM industry.
Salveo World is the next big thing.